Okay, today I'm going to try and pick up the laptop and move it to my living room with me and try to show you the wood stove because it's on right now and it's really nice. So let's just see if this works. Okay, this may not be a good idea, but let's lift up the laptop and take it slowly into my living room, and I hope the light adjusts and you can actually see something. Oh, here we go. I'll set it down on the coffee table. That's my pellet stove and the window in my living room. Cast iron radiator, of course. The blinds, they're wooden blinds, and really nice kind of velvety curtains that the owner left behind for me. There you can see the doors that go into my office, and I'll show you how cool this is. Ta-da! Now it's 2 rooms. You can choose to either leave the doors open to let the heat circulate from the stove, or you can close them and have privacy in my office. Oh, and I think somebody wants to say hello. Here's Raphael. Raphael likes the wood stove. Oh, I think he wants to go. Yeah, he likes the wood stove a lot. I don't blame him. Well, that's it for now. I just wanted to give you another look at my house and show you the stove in action. Talk to you later. Bye from LadyMisty.